What else I want to eat? Kit Kat. Ano na ako sa sa chocolate. Ito na lang ang gusto kong i-crave. Siguro, I need tea. Let's find out the tea here. Here we go. I think one tea. One tea for, yeah, green tea. That's it. I think this is what I want. Oh, guys, I got it. What I want, guys. So, let's go. I'm craving for sweet, guys. Pero not the chocolate. Kind of like that. Sugar free. Oh, yeah. Basta may pira, mabibili mo gusto mo, guys. So, crave lang tayo, guys. Yum, yum.